While the world was distracted by the volatility of high stocks and the collapse of digital currencies, a much older, much quieter game was being played. Across the heartland of America and the fertile plains of the global south, the for sale signs are vanishing, but it's not local farmers who are buying. Bill Gates now owns enough land to fill a small country. Jeff Bezos is quietly expanding his Earth Fund holdings, and Wall Street hedge funds are outbidding local families by thousands of dollars per acre. Why are the world's most sophisticated tech minds suddenly obsessed with dirt? It's not about a hobby in gardening. It's the ultimate gilded play for the most valuable asset on Earth. In 2026, we've entered what economists call the real asset supercycle. As the dollar softens and inflation erodes paper wealth, the 1% are rotating their capital. Farmland is the ultimate gilded bank account. It is a fixed supply. They aren't making any more of it. Unlike a tech company that can go to zero overnight, productive soil has a floor value. Billionaires aren't looking for a 10 times return. They are looking for permanence. They are buying a hedge against a future where digital numbers might not mean as much as a bushel of corn. But here is the truth they don't mention in the press releases. When you buy the land, you buy the rights. In the western US and parts of Africa, land ownership is a Trojan horse for water rights. In a warming world, whoever owns the aquifers owns the future of industry. There's also a new 2026 motive: energy. Massive AI data centers require two things: cooling water and renewable power. Farmland provides the physical space for solar arrays and the water required to keep the brains of the internet from melting. The billionaires aren't just buying farms. They are buying the batteries for the next industrial revolution. The local farmer is being data squeezed. Large institutional buyers use high-resolution satellite imagery and AI-driven agronomic data to cherry-pick the most resilient, high-yield parcels before they even hit the open market. While local families struggle with punishing interest rates and rising input costs, the billionaires bypass the banks entirely. They use liquid capital to outbid generational legacies, turning independent farmers into tenant serfs on their own ancestral land. Is this a visionary move towards smart farming and food security? Or is it the final consolidation of power where the 1% controls the very calories we consume? The gilded truth is that in an uncertain world, the most powerful people are betting on the one thing that has never gone to zero: the ground beneath your feet. The maps are being redrawn, and if you aren't at the table, you're on the menu. The truth is always gilded. Subscribe to see who owns the future.